guys, welcome back to my another video of dance tutorial of the song S-Class by Stray Kids. So this is verse 1 part 2. If you haven't watched my previous dance tutorial of the same song, it is verse 1 part 1. So make sure to watch it so you can learn this part easily. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's begin. Okay guys, let us start with these steps. So first of all, in the previous dance tutorial, you might have seen that we finished here. Okay, so we will continue from this position. From here we will put our hands together and then unlock the hands, and then our left shoulder should go behind, like 1 2 3 go. Okay, like this. So let us do this again. 1 2 3 go. Okay guys, from the list you do like this. You wipe your hand and throw it away like this. Okay, so you have to go back and bend a little. Okay, bend a little, and then your hand should be on your lips and throw it away and Michael Jackson. Okay guys, you have to go on the left side of you and hold your right toe, and your hand should be on your forehead. Okay guys, so from the beginning let us do all these steps. Okay, so we finished here in the previous part of this tutorial. Then after here you go by you are wiping something from your shoulder. Okay, you're wiping something off your shoulder. You do like this and go 2 steps behind. Okay, this, and then you go back, tilt a little, bend a little, your fingers on your lips and throw it away. You have to look there, throw, and hold your toe. Okay guys, so it is just like this. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay guys, then you rotate yourself in this on your right. You are standing straight on your right. Okay, and then you have to do, okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, and then you rotate. You have to join your both hands. You are like you are praying, and then you are going back. Your hand should go up, and your right hand should wipe away from the your left hand. Okay, so like this. Okay, so like this you have to do. We were here 5 6 7 8. Okay guys, so I hope like in this position your steps are all clear. We should end like this in position, and then come straight, rotate to our front, looking front. Okay, then our left hand should be straight, attached with our body, and then we have to pull our neck towards the right. Okay, with our right hand, then like this, and push. Okay, pull, push, pull, push. You have to do this only once. Okay, pull, there's a sound beat, you have to follow that. Okay, 1 2 1 2, and then you have to uh, hop your shoulders like this. Okay, like this once, and then face towards first of all see the legs. Okay, in this step it is very quick. You have to just normal dance steps, it is not that complex. Okay, you have to do like this in the same direction. Okay, your feet are facing the same direction. For example, if my right foot is facing towards the right, my left foot should also face towards the right. Okay guys, so let us do from the Michael Jackson step. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have to like we are talking to someone on our smartwatch. We have to go like this and then freestyle. Okay, but it should be energetic. You have to do this 4 to 5 times only, from 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should be like this, like it's very hot. First back, and then fourth, back and fourth. Let us do from Michael Jackson. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and then you are in this position. You have to make fist in both of your hands. You have to widen your arms like this, and your leg should go more in the back. Left leg should go more in the back. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. You are in this position. You have to jump on your left leg. Jump. Your both of your hands should be in this position. Okay, like this, and then on your right leg. Okay, so you have to do this in a little stop like this, and then you jump on your right leg and go on your sorry, you have to jump on your left leg and land on your right leg. When you are on your left leg, your both of your hands are up, and when you are on right leg, both of your hands are down. Okay, like this. So after we are here, like this. Okay, you don't have to put your left leg down. You have to just do hop on your right leg. Okay, like this. Your left hand should be like this, straight. Your right leg should be first down, and then on your beside your forehead. So you have to double tap on your forehead. We have to do like this. Okay, so let us do this with counts now. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You come and walk in front and then go back with the hands both in this position. Okay, you have to put your hands together in the starting and in the end also. Okay, so these are the steps. Now let us do this from the beginning without music. Okay, with counts. From here you have to go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, so these are the counts. I hope you learned them all. Now let us do this with the music. Okay, let's go.